The other big feature, which I really liked about this, is the computer tracking or theft tracking feature that LandRev has.
Fox 29 uncovers video about a security feature at the center of a federal lawsuit.
Live from Center City in Philadelphia, this is Fox 29 News at 10.
Lower Merion School District under an FBI investigation in connection with that webcam lawsuit. Sources are sharing that with the AP tonight. It is good to have you with us on this Friday night. I'm Thomas Drayton. The school district also facing an injunction tonight to prevent officials from taking back student laptops in order to delete information. Let's get right out to Fox 29's Julie Kim, who is live at the federal courthouse in Old City. A lot going on in this bombshell case.
Yeah, that's right, Thomas. I've got the latest legal documents. As you mentioned, the attorney for the Robbins family filed an injunction. He wants to prevent the school district from tampering with the student laptops and possibly spoiling any evidence. He also wants to prevent the school district from accessing those webcams. Now, the school district yesterday said, we have deactivated the security functions, including the webcams. However, the family attorney says, can you trust them?
The other big feature, which I really liked about this, is the computer tracking or theft tracking feature that LandRev has.
In this 2008 clip uncovered by Fox 29, Lower Merion School District network technician Michael Perbix participates in a webinar and talks about the security features at the crux of a federal lawsuit involving invasion of privacy.
I've actually had some laptops we thought were stolen, which actually were still in a classroom because they were misplaced, and by the time we found out they were back, I had to turn the tracking off, and I had, a good 20 snapshots of the teacher and students. The
school district says they've only utilized the security features to track stolen or missing laptops. But in the case of Harriton High School sophomore Blake Robbins,
it's absolutely not true that this was a lost or stolen laptop.
Mark Holtzman is the attorney for the Robbins family.
They were trying to allege that when Blake was holding two Mike and Ikes in his hand, which he apparently loves and eats religiously, that those were pills and somehow he was involved in selling drugs. And, that's what they wanted to bring to his attention. That's what they were bringing to the parents' attention. But that doesn't fall in line with their stated purpose of why they're turning on these webcams.
Now, a hearing for that injunction request will take place Monday here at the federal courthouse. Now, as for the Lower Merion School District, I was told that there would be some new information forthcoming tonight. However, we have yet to hear from them. Thomas.
All right, so Julie, the FBI we know is investigating this case. Could it turn into a criminal case?
Well, the FBI says that they would not comment or confirm an investigation. However, they did say that if the allegations are true, that it sounds like that state and federal laws were certainly violated.
And real quick before you go, I know the school district issued about 2,000 of these laptops to their high school students. What's the possibility this could become a class action lawsuit?
A very good probability, actually, Thomas. That is what the attorney is hoping for. And he said that he has gotten numerous calls from parents of students in that school district who are very interested in being a part of it.
All right, Julie Kim reporting live. Julie, thank you. And tonight, for the first time, we're hearing from the student at the center of this controversy. Listen.
They thought I was selling drugs because they thought I was popping pills when really I was just eating Mike and Ike's. So they thought that I could possibly be selling drugs too, which they found out they were wrong about. I just hope that they're not watching me.
Once again, that student speaking for the first time involved in that federal lawsuit. Meanwhile, the chairman of a Philadelphia law firm says the accusation against the district raises a lot of legal issues over privacy. He says if in fact a photo was taken of that student while at home, expect aggressive legal action around the Fourth Amendment.
Then the question is there an invasion of privacy? Is there an unreasonable search of that student's home? And if that's done without a warrant, and clearly there is no warrant here, there's no authorization by any judicial authority to take that picture and in essence search inside that home, then arguably you have a violation of the Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution.
Chef says the invasion of privacy argument is by far and away the strongest legal argument the family has. We're going to be following this story for quite some time on myfoxphilly.com. You can watch our video reports on this case and read more from the experts we've interviewed for this story.